And big breaking news coming in at the top of 5 in a shocking incident. DMK Member of Parliament Kanimozhi is now claiming the incident that she says happened with her. A CISF personnel at the airport, she says, questioned her nationality at the Chennai airport for not speaking in Hindi when she asked him to speak in Tamil instead. Akshaya Nath is now joining me. Akshita, that's quite a bizarre incident that she's saying happened. What are you picking up from the details that she's giving from this incident?
Well, Pooja, the DMK MP Kanimozhi has tweeted out saying that she had very clearly stated to the CISF personnel that she does not know Hindi and had asked him or her to speak to her in either English or in Tamil because those were the two languages that she has knowledge of. But unfortunately, she had tweeted out saying that the CISF personnel questioned her, asking if she was an Indian, and that was asked because she said she doesn't know Hindi. So there has been a debate which has now started asking if Hindi imposition is being forced into the state, and also following that we're seeing that Karti Chidambaram and also Dr. Senthil Kumar, who are two MPs from Tamil Nadu, they have also criticized this incident. They have said that this kind of an incident should not have happened, especially to an MP. She had only asked the personnel to speak either in English or in Tamil, a language which can be easily understood by people in Tamil Nadu. And this kind of a scenario has been condemned, and earlier as well, the DMK, which has been very, talking about how Hindi imposition has been going on for a while. So this is being widely criticized now, Pooja, and it needs to be seen how this will be taken forward. But yes, the DMK MP is getting a lot of support from people in Tamil Nadu for the kind of treatment that she has received at the Chennai airport.
But Akshay, if I can ask you, it's also about perspective, isn't it? Coming from her view, it may seem very legitimate, but many would say that the CISF, also soldiers come from across the country and they may be only speaking in Hindi. So what led her to get into this confrontation? Because the job of the CISF is primarily to protect. So getting into this language war is precisely going to be taken to another level.
Well, Pooja, it's very understandable that there are CISF personnel from across the country, but most of them will be comfortable in Hindi and also in English. And that was the only demand that the DMK MP has also made. She had requested the CISF personnel to speak either in English or in Tamil, the two languages that she was comfortable in. So I think the kind of treatment that she's got from the CISF personnel cannot be justified, wherein her nationality was questioned. Just because you don't know a language, can she be questioned if she's an Indian? Well, that needs to be really thought about. And also, English was a common language, is a common language used across the country. So when the MP has suggested that a language like English can be used to communicate to her, she shouldn't have been asked a question about her nationality, and also being a parliamentarian, she should have been given the due respect by the CISF Jawan.
All right, so this is clearly, of course, now becoming a Hindi-Tamil issue as well. And importantly, can you be questioned for your nationality if you're unable to speak a language? Very important views there by Akshaya. We'll continue to track developments in this case. And now let me